Welcome to Las Vegas. We're here outside the Paris Hotel. Directly behind me is the Bellagio. We're going to enjoy some entertainment tonight. We'll be here tomorrow. We'll hit up Italy just like we did in Boston to see all the different things that they have to offer. It's so exciting being here. This is, I think, my 7th time here total, and this is a restaurant town, but what we're really looking for, all of the ingredients, sourcing the herbs, spices, everything that we can to bring back to our Nashville kitchen. So let's get at it. Let's enjoy Las Vegas. We found Italy. This is the second time that we've been to one in less than 2 weeks. We're here in Las Vegas. We're going to go inside, shop, buy more herbs. Maybe this time we can actually find some finely milled flowers. Once we get inside, we'll pick up some Christmas bread. We'll just walk through the entire store and really take our time because we have no schedule today. So let's get at it. Let's see what we can find, and let's see if we can get in some good trouble. So we have just discovered that because we're in Las Vegas and not many people who are coming to this Italy are bringing stuff back to cook and bake in their own homes, they're very limited on herbs, spices, flours, rices. However, they do have this mini wall here. These breads look fantastic. We've made it to Ethel M chocolate factory, one of my old stomping grounds. My father worked for M&M Mars Candy Company in the 70s and 80s. I've been here before. We're going to do a private tasting here today. The gardens are all decked out. This is the cactus garden just outside. It's one of the largest concentrations of rare and native cactus that they have for us to walk through. So after dark, it'll be lit and we'll be able to see that. But we're going to head inside, we're going to do a tasting, and then we're going to buy an awful lot of chocolate. So let's get at it.